Let's talk about habits that make guys truly attractive and how you can achieve them based on psychology. I'm not referring to that glossy magazine cover version of attractiveness. I'm talking about the kind of attractiveness that comes from within, the one that lights up a room and draws people towards you. This isn't about perfect hair, six-pack abs, or designer clothes. It's about who you are and how you carry yourself. Over the years, social psychologists have uncovered some insights and strategies that can genuinely help you be your most attractive self. And guess what? It's not as complex as it seems. And it has less to more to do with the internal than the physical. Meaning, everything you'll get from this video is learnable. 1. Embrace your own style. Being yourself may sound like a no-brainer, but it's surprisingly challenging. Think about it for a second. We're constantly bombarded with societal pressures, images, and expectations about how we should look, act, and think. It takes courage to stand firm and say, "This is me, take it or leave it." When you embrace your unique style and passions, you radiate a confidence that's both intriguing and attractive. Authenticity is magnetic. We are naturally drawn to those who don't pretend to be someone else. Why? It signals self-assuredness, integrity, and depth. So, dare to show your true colors. They're beautiful. 2. Emotional intelligence, your secret weapon. Emotional intelligence is an often overlooked yet crucial aspect of personal attractiveness. It's not about IQ, academic prowess, or knowing how to program a computer. Emotional intelligence reflects your ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions and those of others. Having a high emotional intelligence shows you can handle life's ups and downs with understanding and maturity. It shows that you can tune into other people's feelings, fostering deeper, more meaningful relationships. It's about being able to step into someone else's shoes, feeling their joy, their pain, their hopes, and their fears. That's what makes you human, relatable, and yes, irresistibly attractive. 3. Laughter, the universal language. Having a sense of humor is a potent charm elixir. It doesn't mean you have to be cracking jokes 24/7 or be the life of the party. It's about seeing the funny side of life, appreciating the absurd, and not taking yourself too seriously. Humor is a powerful social bonding tool. It brings people together, lightens the mood, and can even help us cope with difficult situations. Plus, sharing a laugh with someone is a shared experience, a moment of connection, and that's a beautiful thing. So, embrace your inner comedian. It's a surefire way to boost your attractiveness quotient. Laughter is a social bonding mechanism. A good laugh releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. So keep your wit sharp, your puns punny, and your spirit light. 4. The gift of listening. Here's the truth. Listening is sexy. In a world where everyone is eager to make their voice heard, taking the time to truly listen to someone else is a breath of fresh air. Active listening involves not just hearing the words that someone is saying, but understanding the emotions behind those words. It's about making the other person feel seen, heard, and valued. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel that way? Being a good listener makes you a safe harbor, a confidant, someone people naturally gravitate towards. Empathic understanding, truly getting someone, feeling their feelings, has a tremendous therapeutic and growth-promoting effect. 5. Sparkling curiosity. Curiosity isn't just about wanting to know how a clock works or why the sky is blue. It's about being interested in life, in people, in experiences. It's about wanting to learn, grow, and understand. When you're genuinely curious, you're engaged with life. You're not just going through the motions, but actively participating in the world around you. This zeal for life is palpable and contagious. It makes you interesting to be around, and that's a major attractiveness factor. 6. Kindness, the underrated attractiveness boost. Kindness. It's simple, it's universal, and it's powerful. It shows that you value others, not for what they can give you, but for who they are. Kindness is about more than just being nice. It's about showing empathy, offering support, and expressing genuine concern for others. It's about being a beacon of positivity, a source of comfort, and a pillar of strength. Kindness can manifest in numerous ways: a warm smile to a stranger, a helping hand to a friend in need, or a comforting word to a loved one who's down. These actions may seem small, but their impact is enormous. They show that you're not just focused on yourself, but that you genuinely care about others. Kindness also suggests a degree of emotional maturity and selflessness, traits that many people find irresistibly attractive. It shows that you can love and be loved, connect on a deep emotional level, and build meaningful relationships. 7. Confidence. Strut your stuff. Confidence is alluring. When you believe in yourself, others tend to follow suit. Confidence isn't about being arrogant or brash. It's about knowing your worth, your strengths, and your abilities. Self-esteem is the reputation we acquire with ourselves, so be your own biggest fan. Walk into a room like you own it, not because you're superior, but because you're comfortable with who you are. 8. Vulnerability, the unexpected attraction. In a world that often values tough exteriors and having it all together, showing vulnerability can be surprisingly attractive. Being open about our fears, uncertainties, and flaws can foster deep connections and trust. Vulnerability reveals your humanity, allowing others to feel safe in revealing theirs. It's the soil in which intimacy grows. Learn to let down those walls, let others in, and watch the magic happen. 9. The power of passion. Nothing quite says attractive like a person who is passionate about something. Whether it's collecting vintage postcards, saving the environment, or perfecting the art of baking sourdough, being passionate about something gives you a certain sparkle. Passion provides a sense of purpose, increases determination, and can even contribute to personal growth. It makes you interesting and gives others a glimpse into what makes you. 10. Body language, the silent communicator. Never underestimate the power of body language. Research shows that a majority of our communication is nonverbal. There are rules of personal communication from psychologists: 7% spoken words, 38% tone of voice, and 55% body language. Positive body language, open postures, expressive gestures, attentive eye contact can communicate more about your interest and positivity than words alone. It's like a secret language that whispers, "Hey, I'm open, approachable, and totally into this conversation." 11. Mystery. Keep them guessing. Mystery denotes an appealing ambiguity, an enigmatic quality that piques curiosity and interest in others. When you maintain a degree of mystery, you're not putting every card you own on the table. Rather, you're gently unfolding the layers of your personality over time. This gives others the exciting opportunity to discover more about you gradually, which can heighten attraction. So, while it's important to be open and authentic, retaining some elements of mystery can certainly amplify your irresistible charm. 12. Resilience. Bouncing back with grace. In the world of psychology, resilience isn't just about surviving the hard times, it's about thriving despite them. It's about encountering obstacles and using them as stepping stones to grow and evolve. Resilience reflects your strength, adaptability, and tenacity. It's a testament to your ability to weather life's storms and still keep your head held high. This strength of character and the grace with which you handle adversity can be incredibly attractive to a lot of people. 13. Empower others. Lift as you climb. The act of empowering others is a testament to your character. People who use their strengths and abilities to enable others to succeed are often perceived as highly attractive. This isn't about being a doormat or always putting others before yourself. It's about fostering an environment of mutual growth, where you lift others as you climb. Whether it's cheering on someone else's dreams, celebrating their victories, or offering a helping hand during their struggles, you are showing your capacity for empathy, generosity, and team spirit. This ability to empower those around you makes you a beacon of positivity and support that others are naturally drawn towards. 14. Humility. Keep it real. In a world where self-promotion and ego can often take center stage, humility offers a refreshing contrast. It involves acknowledging your shortcomings, recognizing that you don't have all the answers, and being open to learning from others. A humble person exudes a level of self-awareness and respect for others that is deeply appealing. So, embrace your humble side. It doesn't mean you're undermining your accomplishments, but rather that you're keeping them in perspective. 15. A balanced life. Life is a juggling act, and how well you manage to keep those balls in the air speaks volumes about you. A balanced life shows you're capable of managing your priorities well. It's about allocating time for work, hobbies, relationships, and personal care. Someone who's all work might come off as overly serious or stressed, while someone who's all play may seem irresponsible. But someone who strikes a balance? That's a person who knows how to enjoy life while also taking care of their responsibilities. And that's a truly attractive trait to have. There you have it, the psychology-backed blueprint to becoming irresistibly attractive. It's not about superficial qualities or shallow charm. It's about being a well-rounded, emotionally intelligent, and authentic individual who values others and lives life with curiosity and kindness. Remember, irresistible attractiveness isn't a destination, but a journey. It's about self-improvement, learning, and growth. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and embracing who you truly are.